Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Cbse Courses with Riti. Today we are going to continue with the chapter Life Process. The first very process we are going to learn is nutrition. Nutrition, in which we are going to learn about basically the digestion of our food, how we digest food, and nutrition is nothing but the intake and utilization of food. खाने को खाना and utilize it means use करना to provide energy to our body to carry out the processes, right? Now here comes the term nutrients. Now what does this nutrient means? So nutrients are nothing but basically the elements. Elements, or you can say compounds. Now, I don't think I need to tell you what are elements, what are compounds, as we have learned in our previous classes as well and in chapter 1 of chemistry. Elements or compounds that we take from environment. I am writing it in caps. You stretch out this word, but in exam you obviously not need to write it in caps. In form of food, you can say. You can just stretch this definition in form of food. Okay. Nutrients are basically the elements or the compounds that we take from environment in form of food. Like you can say calcium, phosphorus, your potassium. These all are the nutrients. So in the test reports, in the blood reports also we check that which nutrient is deficient in our body. Like sometimes it's iron, it's calcium, anything. Like, right? That's what it is. So if you know this, so you must know what is the use of calcium, fats, proteins. This all comes in nutrients. Calcium is essential for the strength of our bones. It strengthens our bone. Fats is just for the instant energy, you can say. Protein is always called bodybuilding food. And in the era we are in now, we need food that is good for our growth. We need to grow. And for that we eat lots and lots of proteins. Nutrition is clear. That's nothing but the intake and utilization of food. And many places you will see that there is a very vast definition of nutrition saying the process of intake and utilization of food. This can be one. The other can be the process of absorbing nutrients from the environment or to manufacture the food is known as nutrition. But you not need to write it down like that. You can simply write nutrition is the process in which the process, you can write nutrition is the process of intake and utilization of food. That simple. Nutrients is something they can ask you very rarely, but still we need to know what it is. So that's the basic and the most easiest definition I could think of. Fine. So this is very clear to us what is nutrition. Now nutrition is also of two types. First is autotrophic. Autotrophic. The another is heterotrophic. ठीक है? Autotrophic and heterotrophic. Let's discuss a little bit about it because in the next videos that will be a proper detailed video about each one of them. In that we'll discuss more in depth and in the way of advanced classes. But here let's recapitulate what we have already learned in our previous classes. Autotrophic is nothing but basically it's done by the plants. You can say plants comes, or the many they are fungi, bacteria as well, that is blue green algae, cyanobacteria also known as. But we widely use the word plants, and in the previous classes we have also learned plants. Heterotrophic. Heterotrophic, the best example we can think of is human. Right? Humans are the examples we can think of first of all. Now let us discuss that what's the difference we see here in the type of the nutrition they may need, they may require. Autotrophic, heterotrophic में क्या difference हो सकता है या why they are differentiated? Just we'll discuss it in a wide way, not in brief. Auto means self. Trophic means nourishment or nutrition. Same goes for hetero means other. Trophic means nutrition. Like in the sense of plants, plants make their own food by the process called something like photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is again a topic we have discussed in our previous classes, but here we are going to use few, chemical formulas to represent it, and a bit of a different type. The process is same, but so we not need to really worry about it. Humans take what? Plants make their own food by the process of photosynthesis, and hence you can just relate that autotrophic means self-nourishment, खुद से खाना manufacture करके लेना. That's what autotrophic is all about. Heterotrophic. So in heterotrophic, we humans, do we manufacture food? Now this manufacturing food doesn't means that you are just cooking your food and you are buying it from somewhere, or you are spending your money on that food. It means either you are manufacturing on it on your own or no, not. So heterotrophic, we don't manufacture food. हम synthesize नहीं करते. Synthesize means बनाना. Like not the curry vegetables cut करके curry बनाना, but the process we don't do that. We are directly or indirectly dependent on autotrophs also. If you are vegetarian, you eat vegetables, so that comes from these plants. If you are non-vegetarian as well, so we not the eat web, the food web, right? We were related to plants is the basic. Many animals eat it, then that animals are eaten by that animal, that is eaten by that, and that's the food process. पूरा process होता है, food chain होता है. That's what heterotrophic is. So हमने widely discuss कर लिया. In the next video we are going to learn more in detail about autotrophic nutrition. Till then, do like, subscribe and share my channel. Also don't forget to ring the bell hang button so you will get all the notifications of my channel.